The students in the Robotics Club aren't just launching t-shirt cannons. They're using robotics to compete in high-stake challenges, tackle real-world problems, and push the limits of what's possible with technology.
My name is Galen Spooner, and I'm the software lead and driver for Team 2035.
My name is Emma Shin, and I am the current captain of the robotics team.
I've always had a passion for engineering and tech in general, and I found that robotics was the best way for me to really pursue that at Carmel High.
Last year we had a few issues with leadership, and so we were able to nominate ourselves but also be nominated by other students.
Every year in January we get a new challenge. They're pretty weird usually. Last year we had to shoot foam rings into certain goals. This year we had to pick up PVC pipes and put them on some poles and stuff. And then usually the robot has to climb onto something.
The robotics competitions last for 3 or 4 days. The first day is dedicated to preparation, the second day for practice, and the final day is when the competitions take place.
We competed at the Central Valley Regional in Fresno a couple weeks ago, and we placed, I believe, 24th after the qualifying rounds, and were picked for the Alliance 1 in playoffs. And then we went 5-1 in playoffs and won the event.
So we have a few different sections within robotics, and we have a lead of each section, so all the students are able to venture into and branch off into these different sections.
We do training processes over the summer and in the fall to make sure all new members, have some skills going into the season, and then we do team-wide meetings a lot at the start of the season to make sure everyone's ideas for the robot get heard.
We've had 3 different robot types so far this year, because our first one, it broke a few days before our first competition, so we had to remove the intake from our other robot and then put that onto our main robot.
So we try to keep our robots as simple as possible while still being able to achieve our design objectives. If we don't have to overcomplicate something, we try not to. So normally when the robot isn't functioning as expected,
we test and find out where the problem is coming from, whether or not it's a physical problem with one of the mechanisms or if it's a coding error.
With that, it's really just being able to isolate the problem.
And then we try our best to just see what we can do to fix it, and then if we're struggling, we reach out to other teams at the competition.
From solving complex problems to pushing the boundaries of technology, these students are proving that robotics is more than just a field of study. It's a gateway to the future.
Being able to put yourself in places where you may not be the most skilled.
Just show up. You don't have to have any good technical skills going in. You just have to be willing to learn.